All right, so this is another episode of Christopher Reads the Help Files. This is Manage Survey Extended Properties. Topics in this section include about managing survey extended properties, use extended properties to import and export survey land XML attributes, and to create, assign, and view user-defined attributes, to display the survey extended properties, to create and edit user-defined properties for a survey database, and about survey property type field types. Use this table to determine the display of various property field types, both in the survey user interface and the display of extended properties that are assigned to survey points in the drawing. Use extended properties to import and export survey land XML attributes and to create, assign, and view user-defined attributes. Using the extended properties command, you can do the following: import survey land XML data and attributes into the survey database, view survey land XML attributes and modify user-defined attributes using the survey user interface, export survey land XML data with attributes to a specific land XML file, insert survey points into a drawing with the survey land XML and user-defined attributes assigned, complete round-tripping of survey land XML and user-defined data using the import survey land XML and export survey land XML commands on the Survey tab in Toolspace. Extended property definition files. To display extended properties, you must specify an SDX_DEF file that contains definitions, or import a land XML file with the Create New Definitions Automatically option selected in the survey database settings. By default, there are no extended properties defined in the SDX_def file. Autodesk Civil 3D installed sample SDX_DEF files at the following location: See Program Data Civil 3D version ENU survey. You can edit default SDX_def files or specify predefined schema with specialized land XML and user-defined properties contained in an existing SDX_DEF file. For example, the land XML standard.SDX_DEF file contains numerous survey feature class items. You can open this file in a text editor and make necessary edits to streamline this file to meet your needs. Use the Save As command and then save the file with a new name. And so let's see if it's there. So we can go 2022. And so we can see that we have some existing ones there. And we can open one up. And then we have some directions and all right, cool. And then here, so the survey and so to display the survey extended properties, you must specify an SDX_DEF file that contains definitions, or import a land XML file with the Create New Definitions Automatically option selected in the survey database settings file. By default, there are no extended properties in the SDX_DEF file. 1. In the survey database defaults, specify the path in the extended properties definition file. So I guess you have to come to the survey database, go ahead and open for edit. in the survey database defaults. So maybe it's up here. Nope. In the survey database default, specify the path in the extended properties definition file. Yeah, I'm not seeing it there. All right, so it looks like in Toolspace on the Survey tab, you can right-click and choose Manage Extended Properties. I'm not quite sure what one represents. And then in the Manage Extended Properties dialog box, select the checkboxes for the collections or individual properties. So I guess we'd have to create a new one. And then we can add a string. We can make it required or not. And then we can hit OK. And then we have the checkbox here. And then if we want, we can edit it. Then we can uncheck them or include them. All right, and then to create and edit user-defined properties for a survey database, use the options in the Manage Extended Properties dialog box to create or edit a user-defined property. In Toolspace, on the Survey tab, expand the survey databases collection and right-click on a database name. Click Manage Extended Properties. In the Manage Extended Properties dialog box, collections are displayed for each of the survey feature classes. So I guess that's survey database, network group name. In the Manage Extended Properties dialog box, click the button or the icon to expand the survey feature classes in the tree. Each feature class has a collection for LAN-XML and user-defined data. Select a user-defined checkbox under a feature class. And right-click and choose New. In the Edit Extended Property dialog box, enter the following: XML name, display name, and description. Select a type in the property fields list. Select required value to checkbox to display a warning icon for properties that have not been assigned to an instance of a survey feature class. The event viewer will also post warning when you export the LAN-XML file using the Export Survey LAN-XML command. Select the Display checkbox to have the extended property display on the object. If you specified string as the property type, enter values for string. So the checkboxes About survey property field types. Use this table to determine the display of the various property field types, both in the survey and user interface, and the display of extended properties that are assigned to survey points in the drawing. And so it's got all of the properties, angle and radians. And so this concludes the Manage Survey Extender properties where Christopher reads the help file.